the highlight of my weekend in the 24 Hours of Appalachia in Booneville has got to be going down to Finn Castle to do like a famous East Coast trail and being called to go down there to do one of the sketchiest welds I've ever done in my life, and to see it and to be there and to watch it work.
Here we are at Finn Castle on the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway. And this TJ, I just welded the pitman arm back together because it was snapped in half. So here we are. Yes, welded pitman arm.